What's up guys, today we got an update about Galaxy Fold 2 device. Samsung plan to rename the Galaxy Fold 2 device as Samsung Galaxybloom. According to the Korean media, name is confirmed by Samsung CEO at secret meeting in the CES 2020. Someone managed to take a picture of the Galaxybloom during that presentation. With Galaxybloom, Samsung plans to sell more devices for women. Samsung CEO confirmed that they designed Galaxybloom similar to makeup box to attract women. Earlier we saw the hands-on image of the Galaxybloom. Galaxybloom will be the first device which able to record 8K videos. Galaxy S20 name also confirmed that secret meeting in CES 2020. Also, it's happy to say guys, rumors are wrong, 120Hz refresh rate is back. Ice Universe confirmed all the S20 models will get 120Hz refresh rate, which is good news. Also, user can select 60Hz refresh rate to reduce power consumption. So far so good. We can see Galaxybloom S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra in 11th of February. Let me know your thought in the comments. Subscribe and ring the bell for latest updates. I'll see you again. Peace out.